Alrighty guys, looking at the Euro CAD 4-hour chart. Pretty clear buy signal here, or buy biased. We did just get a buy signal. I'm a little late on this. Signal occurred at 29.17. It's around 25 right now. Not too concerned. These kind of trades, we're looking for quite a bit of movement. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 4-unit trade. And we're going to set our stop just below the flows, right around 28.35. This is the Euro CAD trade. So we got our trade set up. We're going to carry this up to our first target and see what happens. All right, guys. The EuroCAD's moved on up to our first target, so we are going to go ahead and clear a portion of our trade off at the first target level. We're just shy of it now, but as you can see, we did hit it, so I am going to go ahead and clear it out, or at least a portion of it. At this point, as usual, I'm also going to move my stop up. The entry on this particular trade was 156.23. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. Let's see. I was looking at the Euro New Zealand that I'm in. The Euro CAD was 29.34. And I can adjust this up, I guess, so you can see what I'm looking at. The Euro CAD is here, and we just closed out 1 unit, so I'm going to adjust the stop loss up to 129.36. Alright, so this is a free trade, and we'll just continue to watch this and monitor it, and hopefully we'll see it move on up to level 3 and 4. Alright, so we're looking at the Euro CAD here, and it's moved on up to the second level, and per our plan, we are going to go ahead and clear out a portion. We did clear out at level 1 a portion, and now we're getting ready to clear out a little more at level 2. So that being said, let me go ahead and clear out 1 more unit. And as the market continues, we will continue to take profit. Alright guys, so we're looking at the Euro CAD, and the market's moved up pretty nicely, but we've kind of stalled here towards the top. If we go to the week chart, you can see we're actually have kind of topped out towards the top of the upper range. Now I don't want to close this thing down because we could still have a break and then a really strong move, but I do want to protect us or protect our position in case the market does reverse. We don't want to lose everything we've gained. Now in a normal situation, I wouldn't move the stop up. But when we get up around these strong points of resistance, I do want to protect the position because it can come down fairly quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this stop up. We're still not going to move right up underneath the current position, but we are going to look for some obvious. We've got previously support here. We can see that it acted as resistance here, so it stands to reason that it would be support again in this area. So what we'll do is we'll just set a stop down below this area, right around the 30.23 level. So we're going to adjust our current stop up to around 30.23. Alright guys, so the Euro CAD is just broke on up to our third level, so I'm going to go ahead and clear out another unit. We're going to clear out 1 unit, which will leave us with 1 unit in. We're not right on the level, but we're pretty darn close, so it's good enough for me. We're at 34.13 on the buy side, and the level's at 34.20. Again, not going to squabble over a few pips here or there. So I'm going to go and clear out the 1 unit, and still leaves us with a unit in, up about $470 on its own. Alright guys, we're back looking at the Euro CAD trade, and as you can see, the market has moved up to our 4th level target. It's not quite there yet. It's at 98 is our target, and the market's around 83. But I am going to go and clear it out just because this is a fairly large spread, so the buy side is getting up there. You can see currently this is about $642 in profit on the 1 remaining mini lot left. So we're going to go and close that down. Just about 10 pips away from our target, and call it a day. We can take a look here at the total trade just to get a better idea. So here are the 4 entries right in here. And you can see before we closed out this one for $641, the other 3 entries alone were $470, $180, $120, about $900, and then add to that another $650. So we're you know, right around the $1540 mark for one trade. So this is just a great example. This is definitely in my book, it's a home run. You know, with 4 mini lots, anytime you can take a trade with 4 mini lots and walk away with $1,500 in profits with very little risk. Remember, our entry was way back here, and our stop was just below the lows, so we had very little risk compared to the amount of profit we made. I mean, you know, when you really think about this, you know, this is quite a bit of profit for 4 mini lots. You've got to ask yourself, when's the last time you entered with 4 mini lots and walked away with a $1,500 profit? This is the kind of risk to reward ratio this strategy yields, and it really is just a phenomenal example of the kind of trades that you can you know, capture with this particular strategy. So anyway, I hope this video has done a good job at demonstrating how the strategy works, how to implement it, as well as the potential it has for making you know, just phenomenal trades.